Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert text or text box to your video created on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this double A button on the right side of the screen. That's the sixth option, so click on it, and then a text box will be inserted, so feel free to type in your text. Here you can set the color of your text. You can choose from a bunch of preset colors. Tap on the relevant one, and when you are done, click on the save button at the top. Tap on it and place it within the screen. You can make it bigger and smaller like this, and basically that's it. Feel free to add as many text boxes as you would like to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys.